Vaheguru, students, let us discuss about the third question of exercise 12.1 construction chapter. We have to draw the rhombus, that is PQRS, whose sides and diagonal are given. Sides are given 5.4 and diagonal are given 7.6 centimeter. See, if we are talking about the shape of the rhombus, like this way we have to draw. One diagonal is given, that is 7.6 centimeter, and the sides are given 5.4 centimeter. If we are talking about the properties of rhombus, see property, the diagonals are same and all the four sides are same. Four sides of diagonal are equal. Sides are equal. So sides are given 5.4. So every side is considered as 5.4 centimeter and one diagonal is given 7.6 centimeter. Now we can take a diagonal as a base. Firstly, we will draw the 7.6 centimeter line segment. Draw a line segment that is 7.6 centimeter. This is 7.5, here 7.6 centimeter. We should write here 2 point, that is P and R. Suppose this is P, Q, R and S. One diagonal is given P and R, that is 7.6 centimeter. Now all sides are given 5.4 centimeters. So open your compass up to 5.4 centimeter and draw an arc upward and downward both sides. From taking P and Q, we should taking P and R as a center. So P as a center, we should draw an arc. R as a center, cut that arc. Similarly, downward also, we should draw an arc 4.5 with the R center and a P center. Cut this arc. So here 2 points are drawn. The first upward, we will write here Q. The measurement of this P and Q, one side, that is 5.4 centimeters. So join these lines. Q and R also 5.4. So we will write here the measurement, that is 5.4 centimeter here and 5.4 centimeter here. Similarly, downside there is S point, we should draw. So P and S again 5.4 and R and S again. Join these lines. So this is the required rhombus whose sides are given 5.4 centimeter and diagonal is given 7.6 centimeter. So first step is draw a line segment, that is PR as a diagonal, that is 7.6 centimeter. Now next is we should take P and R as in centers, and we should draw the sides of the diagonal which are given 5.4. Open the compass and cut intersect the R's and join these lines upside and downside. This is the required rhombus, which is the PQRS.